Hi everyone, now you can create any document like a PDF file, Word document, PowerPoint presentation or Excel spreadsheet using the skill feature of Grok. Let's see how we can do that. Just to do that, you need to go to this plus sign and right over here you can see this option skill, and inside skill you can see docs, PDF, PPT and XLSX. Let's start with the PDF document. Then after that you can write your prompt. Since I have already written my prompt, I'm gonna paste it right over here. So here is my prompt. Generate a 600-word academic report PDF format titled The Geometry of Eternity, Scientific Philosophy in Pyramid Construction. Structure and the rest you can see its introduction, like intersection of empiricism and spirituality in Old Kingdom Egypt and so on. And the rest you can read. After that, I will click on submit and let's see for the Grok to process it. You can see it's thinking about our request, it's taking time and creating a document. And there you go, it has created the document and we can simply download it right here. And if you want, you can also expand it and see it right within Grok. Since I have already downloaded it, I'm gonna open it and there you go. Just look at this stuff, the geometry of eternity, scientific philosophy in construction. It's really beautiful document, pretty concise, pretty accurate, and addressing what it was asked to. So you can create any kind of PDF document within Grok. Let's go to create a new chat, and this time I'm going to create a docs document. Let me paste my prompt right over here, and you can see it's saying generate a 400-word formal application letter docs format for admission to a master's program in educational psychology. Here is the structure, objective, rationale, qualification, and so on. Let me click on submit button, and again we will have to wait for a few more seconds to see its response. So it took quite a bit of my time. You can see 2 minutes and 2 seconds, and still it couldn't create the document I have asked for. Probably I should go to modify my prompt and ask it to create a docs document that should be simple and doesn't contain too much info. Let me ask it to create a docs document on short history of USA. I'll go to skill and I'll choose this docs document. So here is my short prompt. Create a document on history of USA. It should be brief and concise. Let me click on submit button and let's wait what it's gonna do now. So here you can see in 17 seconds it has created a document. Let me click on this link right over here, and here you go. Just look at it, how beautiful this document is. So we can actually download it right from here. It got downloaded and now we can open it inside Microsoft Word. You can see Microsoft Word is opening this particular file, and here you go. We can enable editing, and whatever modification you want you can actually do inside it. Here you can see a brief history of United States of America, introduction, pre-colonial and colonial era, American Revolution, and so on. Let's test it with a little bit tougher question this time. Now I'm going to create a comprehensive PowerPoint presentation about educational psychology. So here is my prompt. Generate a script and slide outline for a 7-slide presentation on cognitive development in the classroom. Slide details: introduction to Piaget concept, the zone of proximal development, including a diagram description, and so on. You can read the rest of the prompt. Let me click on this submit button and wait for the Grok response. It's a bit tougher question. It need to search it out over the entire internet, and it also depends on your internet speed. In my case, it's going a bit poor, so it might take time. So it thought for 37 seconds to create this 7-slide PowerPoint presentation. So it says that the presentation is saved right over here. I couldn't find it. It means I should ask it to give me a downloadable link. So here I prompted bake, give me a downloadable link to the PPT. And there you go. This time it has done it. We can actually expand it right from here and see it within the Grok. And if you want, you can also download it right here. But you see, there are only 2 slides and they are not providing the explanation I have asked for. So let me go again and fix it. This time I'm going to paste the same prompt once again. I'm going to ask it to download a link to this extensive and comprehensive PowerPoint presentation. So this time I have added this little sentence to give me a link to download this presentation. Let me click on submit button and let's wait again for its response. So everything depends on the sort of prompt you are giving it to Grok. If you make your prompt comprehensive, detailed, then the response would be likewise. So here you can see it has almost done its job, and here is the PowerPoint presentation. Let me click right over here to download it. Let me open it inside PowerPoint. You can see my PowerPoint is opening up, and there you go. Let me click on enable editing. Let me run the slideshow to show you how it looks. Cognitive development in classroom, Piaget and Vygotsky, foundation of cognitive development. Just look at the colors, the fonts, and the information contained within it. Everything is perfect. It could have been a bit more detailed if I've provided with a comprehensive prompt. Anyway, it's brilliant so far. So finally, we are going to test out Grok with creating an Excel document. So again, I'm going to click on this plus sign, go to skills, and I'll choose XLSX. And here is my prompt, and you can read it. Generate a structured data table comparing classical pedagogy versus modern edtech. Structure: columns, feature, environment, teacher role, tools, assessment, rows, data, extra, and the tone should be neutral, clear. I think this is not required in this particular case, so I'm going to delete it. Let me click on submit button and wait for the response of the Grok. So here you go, it has created an Excel document. Let me click on download button and let's open it to see how does it look like. Enable editing, and there you can see feature, classical pedagogy, modern edtech, hybrid recommendation. So it's about classical pedagogy versus modern edtech. Does look good, but it could have made it a little better by adding some fill colors or using some better fonts. Anyway, so far it's brilliant. Earlier, I tried to create an interactive Excel dashboard analyzing global oil prices over the past decades. And this was the document it created. You can see this was the document it created. Here is the data that it has gathered from different sources. And this is the dashboard. This doesn't look like a dashboard. Anyway, there are some caveats to this skill feature for creating different documents, but you can use it to create a draft which you can later modify it. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.